All right, this morning we're all loaded up, getting ready to go to my older sister's house to take out some trees and shrubs. So let's go. Welcome to my life. Make sure the bucket doesn't hit anything. We're finishing up here. Got the driveway graded. Took out 2 huge bushes on the neighbors, but that way she can open her door on her car. Took out a tree stump there and a tree there. Took down a huge limb off that was going over the top of that house, pulled it down, and then trimmed the stuff up over her shed. So she's good to go. So that wraps that project up. We're out of here. All right, so today I'm at my sister's house again, and we're going to take care of this sidewalk here. It's been lifted for quite some time. They were doing a project before, and I don't remember what the whole deal was, taking out a tree or something, and it got lifted. So we're going to try to fix that so she doesn't get sued. So basically we're just going to lift them up, dig out from underneath it, and try to push it back down. All right, let's get started. You went from ultra conservative to just dump having. You can tell you're getting into it because before you were trying to get every last drop, now you're just like, screw it, that's enough.
I don't think we need the whole bag.
All right, well, there you go. We ended up pouring a new piece because only one piece would go down. Well, one wouldn't fit, so we poured a new piece, and there she is. On to the next one. Mouthful of carrots. All right, so what I need to do now is I need to get this concrete sidewalk that I took out of my sister's house, which is a massive piece of concrete. They must put it in back in the 50s when concrete was cheap. But anyway, I need to take it out to the farm and dump her. So that's where I'm going now. All right. I guess I'll see you on the other end when I'm dumping. Dent my door. Dang it. It landed right where I wanted it, so that part was good. Dude, that was a heavy piece of concrete. Wow. Yeah, there you go. Y'all help me out and like and subscribe to my channel, Shots Life, on YouTube.